Hello my viewers, in today's tutorial I am going to show you how to model this warehouse in Revit, and actually we are doing all the structural elements, so the whole construction will be model. Okay, we are going to do all the structural connections, and all those basic connections like bracing and all the necessity things. But before get started, I would like to ask you to like this tutorial. Okay, we will work on all this, how to apply the color. Okay, let's start. First we have to set the unit. You can use the shortcut key UN and make this unit. Suppose I want in meter. Okay, then go to level 1 and let's create some grid over here. For grid you can use the shortcut key GR, or you can select it from here. Peak line, use the peak line and make the offset 10 meter. Now we place the grid in horizontal way. Name it as A. Choose the peak line and give the offset 8 meter. Okay, make this one little bit down. Now it's okay. Grid has been placed. Now we place column. Go in structure, select the column, select the type of column which you want. Let's skip this one. Suppose we have to place column over on this grid. First we have to height and level 2. Select at grid here and select the grid, then finish it. Okay, you can see here column has been placed. Make the detail level fine so you can easily visible to you. Let's go in 3D and see. You can see the column has been placed. Now we have to place beam over here, beam on the column. Go in level 1, select the beam, and place the select beam which you want to place. Suppose I am taking this one. Select the middle of the column and place all over here. Now go in 3D and see how it's look. You can see the beam is placed below the column, so select the beam, set the work plane and make the level 2. Okay, now it's okay. So first we have to just we have to split this beam. Okay, go in level 1, level 2, make the detail line fine so it will be visible easily to you. Now you can use the command split, use the shortcut SL, or you can select it from here. Suppose I have to middle, on the middle of the beam, split this one. Okay, Now suppose I have to split here, so select this one and split on the middle of the column. Okay, in this way you can split middle of this one. Okay, okay, let's go in 3D and see. The beam has been splitted. So first we have to select this side. By pressing Ctrl you can select all this beam. Okay, so now we have to just here go in property, and you can see here end level offset, make it 1.5. now you will see. Now again let's do this side also. Select all the beam and start level 1.5. okay, now you can see it's look good. Make the graphic constant color. So now we have, you can see here all the beams are not joined, so we have to add some structural connection over here. So for that we have to first go in steel, and here you go in setting, and now we have to choose all the connection and add. So here you can see, select all and add, and press OK. So suppose you have to hide all this grid, so select all the grids and right click and hide the view by category. Okay, because you don't need that one. So now we have to place some structural connection over here. So select these two, go in steel connection, and you can select the, suppose let's see on this it will suit the apex connection, so we go for the apex hunches here. Okay, it will take few minutes. Now you can see, make this level fine so you can get the, so you can see the connection. In this way you can place here also. Go select both the beam, go in steel connection and use the apex hunch over here. Select this one, go in steel connection and choose the apex hunch. You can see here also connection has been placed. In this way you can place connection like this. Suppose now we have to place some connection over this two beam and a column. Select all these three, go in steel connection and select, let's select some, let's select the placing split double angle, this one. Okay, so you can see the connection has been placed. So in this way you can place connection over here also. Select the beam and column, go in steel connection, let's select the placing, high split angle double, this one. Okay, Suppose now we have to place some connection over this. So for this, select both the beam and column, go on steel, select the connection. Suppose we have to select some clip edge. You can see in this way we can place the connection. So now this side also we have to place, select both the beam and column, go on steel, connection, choose the connection, clip angle. So in this way you can place connection like this. Okay, so all the connection has been placed. Now we have to place some base plate connection. For that we have to make some footing over here. For that we have to go in level 1, choose the point structure and place some footing, isolated footing. Let's place at the grid, select all the grid and finish it. Let's go in 3D. You will see footing has been placed. Now we have to place base plate connection over here. For that we have to select both beam and column, both footing and column, go in steel, connection, select the base plate connection, base plate like this, and now you can see connection will be placed. It is loading here. Now you can see, let's see, the connection has been placed. So in this way you can place on all the footing over here. Go in steel, base plate, select this one, go in steel, connection, and use the connection base plate. Okay, in this way you can place. Okay, so base plate connection has also been placed. So now after completing this one, just select all this select all this element, go in level 1 and just copy and place over all the grids. It will take a little bit of second because it's loading. So copy paste has been done. Now go in 3D and see how it's look. You can see here. So in this way, after copying all the element, now we add some roof over here. Okay, you can see all the connection has been placed all over the structure. So now we have to place some roof over here. For that, go back to the level 2. Go in architecture. Here you will see a roof. Select the roof. Select this rectangular one. Select the middle of the column and go all over. On the middle of the top column. Okay. Go in 3D. So here you cannot find the roof. So for that we have to go in here visibility graphic, or you can use the shortcut key VG. Edit. Here you will see roof. Check the roof section. Apply. Okay. Now you will see roof has been placed here. So you can see here roof is not placed, it's placed directly. So for that we have to select this roof, edit footprint, and just we have to select this two line, and you can here define roof slope here. Suppose let's take 16.70 and okay. Now you can see the roof has been placed correctly. Okay. Suppose now we have to place. Suppose let's make this roof transparent, so you can visible. You can view the inner beam. Override graphic in view. Select category. Make the transparency up to 40. Apply. Okay. Now you can see the inside is visible. Now it's time to do beam system over here. So for that, go to the level. So you can select beam system from here. Now we have to select the work set, work plane here. Pick a plane. Okay. And pick this lower one. Now use the pick line and just pick the line. After that, use trim and extend. Okay. Then you have to provide beam direction. For that we have just click on the beam direction, select this line and give the beam direction like this, and then okay. Here you can see beam system has been placed. So let's select the beam system and make the spacing 1.2 meter. Okay, it's look good. After that, you just go to the south elevation, make it fine level. Now you can see beams. You can see the beam is inside this. Yeah, the beam system is inside this beam, so we have to just measure it from here all the way back to here. It's 2.2504. okay, 2.2504. 2.2504. Make this offset 2.2504. 2.2504. Apply it. Oh, sorry, it's gone. 0. Make it 0.2504. Apply it. Now you can see, make this little bit by arrow key. By using the arrow key, you can make this one like this. Okay, now it's okay. Now go in 3D and see. You can see the beam system is on the beam. Now it's okay. So suppose we have to place this beam system on this side also. Select. Before selecting this, we have to set the work plane. Make the work plane level 2. Okay. Select the beam system and just use the mirror command mm. Select the middle line. Now you can see the mirror has been the beam system has been placed on this side also. So let's place all this beam system and the roof on all this beam. So for that we have to select the beam system by using the control and select all this beam system and roof. After selecting, go to the level 2. And use copy. Select this middle. Suppose you can select this also, no problem, but you can select this middle and let's place. Here. In this way you can place on this also. Now just go to 3D. You can see the beam system and the roof has been placed all over the beam. Okay. Suppose you want to place some bracing over here, you can place bracing also. So for that you can see here, go in structure and see bracing. Select this bracing and you can use this one. You can click the 3D snapping here, so it can snap in 3D. Select the middle one and from this middle you can go from here. So in this way you can make the bracing Okay, after making the bracing, you can place connection over here. So select all these three, go in steel connection, and you can choose some connection accordingly. You can select this one, get set plate for 2 diagonals. You can see here also select this one and okay, so make this similar and make this one also. So in this way you can place the bracing also. So in this way you can place bracing and all this connection for the warehouse. Okay, suppose you want to change the color of this floor, you can change also. Select the floor, right click, override the graphics by category, go here material, select the solid field, use the material. Suppose you want to place suppose blue, you can use this. Okay, apply. Okay, you can see the roof has been blue. Suppose you want to place this column in some different color, you can make it also. Select the column, right click, override graphic in view by category. You can use the material solid and make the color. Suppose this one, or you can make this one. You can make this one only. Apply. Okay. You can see all this column has been placed with yellow color. Okay, so in this way you can use different color. Suppose you want this beam system in different color, use this. Select the beam only. From here you can select this, right click, override the graphic for category. Now you can select this solid and make this. Suppose I want this in green color, make this, apply it. You will see all the beam system has been colored by green. So in this way you can use the color. Suppose you want to place some other color for this base plate, select this base plate, click right click, go by category, make it solid and give some red color. Okay, apply. Okay. You will see all the base plate has been red color. So in this way you can make this warehouse as per your requirement. Okay, suppose you want to change some color for the footing, select this footing, right click, override graphic, choose category, solid, and make this material brown color or this color. Okay, apply. You will see. So in this way you can individually make all this for your warehouse, and in this way you can make your warehouse. So thank you for watching the video.